Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of the trailer renovation. Today we are starting at Home Depot. We're going to run in, grab some stuff, and we'll be right back. Alright, off to the trailer. So we made it to the trailer. Today's going to be a quick night, maybe, probably not. I'm going to finish capping the water lines, and then I'm going to cut that part of the floor. Alright, so I got the two PEX hose, whatever the heck you call it, capped. I'll have to go get a wrench and tighten those on a little more, but I think those will hold for now, hopefully. I'm going to flip on the water pump now, and we'll see if these hopefully hold water. Can you flip it off, please? Quick. I think I should go get that wrench now and probably tighten this. Alright, I tightened the end stops on a little more, and hopefully they don't spray all over this time. And next is to plug the sink.
So next we're gonna rip out the couch.
Yep. Okay, well, we cut the hole for the piece that we need to replace. I'm gonna let that dry out for a couple days, and in the meantime, I'm going to fix this hole in the floor. Let's get started. Do you want to clean up first or just leave?
Just go.
Okay. That's a wrap for day 4 of the demolition, and we even started putting stuff back together, like that hole in the floor. Let's go home.